Hi everyone, myself Linga Reddy. In this session discuss IUPAC's nomenclature video, the part 3. In this session we discuss the part 1, part 2, the rules we have discussed, maximum rules we discussed. So now we going to discuss the examples, how we apply all the rules here with the examples, and also we will discuss previous year questions. So first we will discuss previous year question, then we will go to the some different examples we'll discuss. Okay, right. The example number 1 here. This is example number 1. 2019 mains, they are asking this question. The first rule is select the long chain, right? So here functional group here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Already know that priority order CC double bond is more than CC triple bond. So we want to follow this one. Another chain also possible, but equal number. But whatever the functional group is there, that is we want to take the parent chain. So this is the parent chain. Now if we write the secondary prefix, primary prefix, and root word, and already I told, one more time I repeated here, secondary prefix and primary prefix and root word, and here primary suffix and secondary suffix. This order we want to follow whenever writing IUPAC nomenclature. Already I discussed in video number 1. Okay, so now here what are the secondary prefix is there, that is substituent. So here the place here one substituent is there, third position, fifth position substituent is there, and here fourth position one substituent is there. So according to the alphabetical you want to write the substituent, right? So alphabetical order, methyl is there, propyl is there, which is alphabet is first, methyl M. So which place is there, or 3 place, and 3 comma 5, how many methyls is there, 2 methyls. So dimethyl, and fourth place what is there, propyl, and how many carbons is there, chain carbons, 7 carbons, 7 nothing but hepta, and here the hept, and here one place ene is there, and sixth place. Okay, right, sixth place is having ine. So this is IUPAC's name of this compound, right? Here we are discussing one in the secondary prefix. Whenever the ene is there in the last, this one we want to strike out, start with this one. So here what is the name we'll get here? So this is the correct name. So 2 comma 3 dimethyl, 4 propyl, hepta, 1 ene, E replaced by the sixth place is ine is present, 6 ine. So this is the IUPAC's name of this compound. Second question. So this is also asking 2019 CH3. They asked 2019 mains question, right? So here numbering, which place we want to start, all are substituent only, which place we want to start the numbering. Already we discussed locant rule. So which one is least number is getting more substituent, that is we want to follow. So obviously we'll get here 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So this is locant rule. So that's why we are giving like this numbering. And next one here, so we write the name in alphabetical order. So 2 place in chlorine, right? So the chlorine is alphabet is first. That's why here can 2 chloro and 1 methyl. Next methyl, and next one 4 nitro, 4 nitro, and benzene. Benzene. So we are applying here locant rule, right? Locant rule, least sum rule, right? So this is asking 2019 mains question. Next one is example 2. Next one example 3. OH, and here OH, and here the CH3. So here priority order, according to the priority order, so 2 functional group is there, OH is there, and carboxylic acid is there. Already we discussed the priority order. This is the priority order. And then now we discuss here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a long chain. So according to the alphabetic order, we want to write the name. So 3 place hydroxy is there. So 3 place hydroxy, and 4th place methyl is there. 4 methyl, and penta, 5 carbons is there. Penta, pentane. That ene replaced by the functional group. Pentane, the ene last, this E is there now. That E is replaced by the oic acid functional group. So oic, pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. This is IUPAC name of this question. This is also asking 2019 mains question. 2019 mains question, right? Next one, 4th example. So example number 4. This is also asking 2019 mains question, right? So we have to select the long chain, and which is double bond is get first, that number we want to give here. So this place with the long chain also here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but one more is possible, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. This is a less chain, even that is double bond also it's not getting. So this is the correct number. Then we write the name. So first what is the substituent is there, that is the secondary prefix. So here the 4th place, so 4 bromo, 3 place in methyl is there, 3 methyl, and 2 place and ene is there. Total number of carbon chain is pent, and which place is the double bond? 2 place, 2 ene. This ene no need to replace any functional group because of that is functional group is not there in the molecules. So 2 ene is correct. So this is the name of this compound. Next one, 5th example. So 5th example I am writing now. So this is the 5th example, OH and cyanide and Br. So here also we want to see the priority order. So there before example we are seeing in the locant rule, but here we want to see the priority order. Okay, so what is the priority order? Cyano is more priority, then OH, then Br. This is the priority order. So we want to give here the first, we want to select priority order. This is the 1, this is the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also locant rule, we no need to go this way. Okay, this way we want to count. because of the substituent we get least number. So what is the name of this compound here? What is the name of this compound? Second place is bromo, 2 bromo, and fifth place is 5 hydroxy, benzene, benzo nitrile, this is the IUPAC name of this compound. And next example, this is also 2019 mains questions. Right. Next, sixth example here, C6H5COCl, right? So this is benzene is there, benzo, generally we can call ol halide, that is carbonyl chloride. So this is the name of this compound, carbonyl chloride. Generally we can halide is C double bond X is present, means oil halide we are called, but here not like that. The carbonyl chloride, the region is here, this is the benzene ring, so C double bond O, and here the numbering we are not mentioning this carbon, okay, that's why this is called in carbonyl chlorides. Any normal straight chain is there, CH2 and CO and Cl. So here carbon numbering we are starting, so including your carbon, when that time we can give the oil halide, and without numbering counting here, this is we can call carbonyl chloride. Same in the carboxylic acid, aldehydes, whenever the ring is there, the on ring is present, same we can call like this, okay. Next one, this is 2006 mains questions, 2006 mains questions, right? Next one, seventh example. The seventh example here, chloro and CH3, both are substituent. There is no principal functional group, functional group. So here we want to follow the alphabetical order, right? So which is the alphabets is first? Obviously the chlorine. So we want to give 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means here what is the name of this compound? 1-chloro, 4-methyl, and benzene. So this is, we want to follow the alphabetical order. And next question, 8th question, CH2CH and CH2CH. So this time which is the which side we want to follow the numbering? Already we know that the priority order of CC double bond is more than CC triple bond. So we have to give numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So the functional group here, how many carbons is there? No functional groups, no substituents are there. So here we will give, and so just a minute. Here how many carbons is there in parent chain? 5 carbons, that is called pent, and the place of ene is 1, so 1 ene. So this E is there now, this E, one more ion, any functional group is there, that we want to replace by that functional group. So this is we are replacing now, right? So which place is there? 4th place, 4th ion, right? So this is the the IUPAC name of this compound. Very conceptual questions. Sometime we are getting which side numbering we want to start. Same the relative same this compared to this one. And one more example is there. Same like one more example is there. We will see there how it is. We will give the numbering. I think this example is 9th one. So here CH3 CH double bond CH, and here CH is there. So numbering here we will start. We'll get double bond is first, and 3 4 5, but here we not get double bond, so 2 position only getting here. Here first position itself we are getting double bond. So this is the correct the numbering, because of this is the least number is not getting, right? And then next, right, now how many carbons is there? Totally we have 5 carbons, right? That is pent, right? And the second position is according to the alphabets here. So third position is double bond is there in this place. So here 3 in, so in replaced by the, already we know that. So 4 in. So this is IUPAC name of this compound. And next one, 10th example. So this is the compound. Here iodine is there, here chlorine is there. So which side we want to give the number? Either 1 2 3 4 is correct, or 1 2 3 4 is correct. So here according to the alphabetical order, here we have to write them according to the alphabetical order, right? So which is the alphabetical is first? Chlorine. So this green numbering we have to follow that. Okay, so what is the name here? 2 position is 2 chloro, and 3 position is iodo, 3 iodo, and number of carbons is 4, that is bute, and all the carbon having single bond, so the butane. So this is the name of this compound, right? Next one, I think 11th example, right? Here 11th example, somewhat different example here. The benzene and CH2 and CH2, and here chlorine, and here, but here chlorine is this. So how we will give the IUPAC nomenclature? We want to select the carbon chain, right? Here this is 1 and 2, or 1 and 2, which is correct. So here we want to give the numbering from 1 to here 1 2 3 4, which is substituent will get first, that number you have to refer. So obviously we're getting here second position, but here we are getting third position. So this number we have to follow that. So what is the name of this compound? Look like it's a somewhat difficult to naming, but it is very easy. Okay, let me discuss. So here one place having here 1, this is the one place, this place having, write that 2 chloro phenyl ion close, and second position having this functional group. And what is that here? That position is 2 position, again start the bracket, and 4 chloro and phenyl bracket close, and ethane. So this is the name of this compound. Okay, any bulky substituent is there, we give the number which position, start in the bracket that name. So this is common for every example, every molecules, right? And next one, next 12th example, example number 12. So here CH3, CH2 and CH, sorry here notes there CH. Okay, so this is the example. According to the IUPAC rule, we have to select the long chain. Here this is the long chain, 1 2 3 4, this is a long chain. And but here this is 1 2 3, this is the parent chain. Why here? Even though long chain is present in the molecule, at the same time the functional groups are present, we have to consider the functional groups are small chain, that chain we have to consider as a parent chain, right? This is the parent chain. So this is parent chain. So what is the substituent is there? What is the name of this compound? And 2-methyl, 1 minute here. This is the 2 place. In the 2 place, what is there here? 2-ethyl is there. 2-ethyl. And the carbon chain is here, prop. And 2 place having ene. 2 place having ene. The ene replaced by the ol, that is 1 ol. 1 ol. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound. Somewhat different example here. So next one, example number here, I think 13. So we are taking, this is the example here. Example here, already we discussed in IUPAC rules. 2 possibility signs is there, functional group, double bond and OH, which is the more priority OH. So 1, sorry here it's not a carbon, here 1 and 2 3 4, one more possibility here, this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6, cyclic form having 6 carbons, but the chain form having only 4 carbons, which is the more priority. Before we are seeing the functional group is there, that is even small chain also, that is only parent chain. So we have to take, that is the chain, long chain is normal, the alicyclic chain is, we have to take this chain, we have to take the parent chain, this is right. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound? So this is the substituent. How we will write the substituent? Which place is there? Third place. So 3 cyclo, and this is ex, 6 carbons is there, and here 1 2 we can give here. So 2 place having 2 enyl, 2 enyl, bracket close, this is a substituent. And next one, number of carbons in chain, 4 carbons, nothing but bute, all carbons are single bond, butane, but instead of that E we can write the ol, that which place is there, 1 ol. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound, right? Next one, next 14th example, the 14th example here. This is the COOH. According to the priority order, ketone and COOH is there. This is the priority order, and we have to numbering start from 1 and 1 1 2 3 4 5, right? So here we are not giving the numbering from carboxylic acid. In commonly in cyclic compounds we are not giving aldehydes and carboxylic acids and acyl chlorides, amines. So the time we have which name we have to write. Okay, in the case of carboxylic acid we will see now. So this is in the case of carboxylic acid, third position what group is there? The ketone, that is what is the secondary prefix, 3-oxo, right? And next what is the primary prefix, that is cyclo compound. And next one, number of carbons is pent, and all carbons are single bond, pentene, pentene. And here the one place having carboxylic acid, this name we have to write like this, right? Next here, I think 15th example. This is somewhat the conceptual example, right? So here we're taking cyclic ring, and here double bond, and here and here. So numbering which side we want to give, or 1 2 3 is correct, or 1 2 3 correct. So which one is correct? So here one important point is even substituent are present in the ring. Numbering is done in the such a lowest number get multiple bonds, right? So here this is 1 and 2, so you get lowest number here. This is the correct representation even though substituent is there, right? So what is the name of this compound? 1 comma 2 3 4 5 6 1 comma 6 dimethyl cyclo eggs 1 in. So this is the compound name, right? One more example is there, same example, try it here. So this is the methyl here, substituent, and NO2. So we have to give number, so this way 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the correct number, right? So not like this 1 1 2 3, it's not a, this is the wrong number, right? So just to try the name and this compound. And next one, example here 16th example, cyclobutane attached to functional group. What is the name of this compound? What is the long chain here? 1 2 3 4, here 1 2, right? So which place? 1 minute here. Let me give 1 here and 2, right? Then functional group is high priority. Then here functional group is there, no functional group. So functional group higher priority than number of carbons, we know that. And now what is the name of this compound here? 2 cyclic ring is present in 2 position, 2 cyclobutyl. Number of carbons here, how many? 2 carbons, that is eth. In the place of ene is 1 ene. So this is the name of this compound. And next one, 17th example, we have here one aldehyde and here ketone. So which is the high priority order? aldehyde is high priority than ketone. So now here generally we can suffix is add all, but in this case is in this special case, and here we will see that. Okay, right. So here numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6 is common, and here 3 oxo, and next to cyclo, that is cyclic form, cyclo, eggs, all carbons are single ones, eggs a. This we are not giving any numbering here, so that time we can call here carbaldehyde. So this is the name of this compound, right? So we are not giving in the numbering in functional group. We can call here in the aldehyde is carbaldehyde. In same, the carboxylic acid present in a ring is also called carboxylic acid, right? Next, one more example. I think this is the 18th example, right? Methyl is there, and here double bond NH2 is there. Okay, what is the name of this compound? The functional group is here amide. This is the high priority, but we are not getting any number here. So here 1 2 3 like this we want to give, but this carbon is not get any number. So how it's called, name this one. So here 3 place having 3, just a minute, 3 methyl cyclic compound cyclo, and this is eggs, all compound are, this is cyclohexane, and one place here this is called 1 carboxamide. So generally we can call amide, but whenever we are present in cyclic ring, this is we can call carboxyamide. So this is about that functional group. Next one here, 19th example here, the ketone is there and ester is there, so the methyl. So now first we give the name for this compound, then cyclic compound, then we use a cyclic compound, then this functional group. Okay, first one, second one, third one, this is generally we have to follow. So there, now what is the name here, what is the group is there in first one, methyl is there, methyl, and bracket close, and fourth position what is there, oxo group, that is a ketone group. Next what is the cyclic here, cyclohexane, and close, and what is that here, carboxylate, CO minus is we can call carboxylate functional group. So this is the name of this compound, right? I think example number is 20. So here so what is the name of this compound? Very simple example. So the priority order here, the priority order 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so first is all the ketone is high priority. Sorry here, that actually this is the functional group, this is the molecule, so we have to give numbering from. So first priority order is what is there, ketone, then double bond, then substituent. So here numbering start from here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, right. Now numbering is complete. Next one, we write the secondary prefix name, right? So here what is the name of this compound? Sixth place on alphabetical order, sixth place ethyl is there, sixth ethyl, and fifth place 5 methyl, and then this is the cyclic compound, cyclo, eggs, this is the double bond is present. So which place is present? Second place, that is 2 ene. So that ene replaced by the functional group. So which place is there, that functional group? One place, so 1 one. So this is the name of this compound. Okay, and then next one, example number 21. Right, two cyclic groups. This is the compound. One, we have to consider the main chain. I am considering this is as a main chain, right? So then here main chain, and remaining as a, this is as a substituent, right? So how we will write this substituent name here? Cyclo, very easy compound, cyclohexyl. This is the substituent, cyclohexyl. And what is the name of this main chain here? Main cyclic compound, cyclohexane. Very important name here, cyclohexyl, cyclohexane. So this is the name of this compound. Next one, ring containing, one important rule here, ring contain COOH group is there, no? This ring is containing. So when, what name we can call in suffix name here? Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. The ring containing aldehyde, that is called carboaldehyde. Carboaldehyde. Right? Whenever present in amide is present in ring, what we can call suffix name? Carboxamide. And next one, halides are present in ring containing halides, that is X. So this is carbonyl halides. So whenever nitrile is present in the ring contain carbonitrile. When it's ring containing, this is the suffix name of when it's ring containing, right? Very important point. It is very important, right? We are getting a lot of confusion from here only. Okay, then next one, I think 22, example number 22. So this is yes, here the one carboxylic acid is there. Here one carboxylic acid, and then next to carboxylic acid here. So here numbering start 1 2 3. This is the chain carbon. We no need to give here carboxylic acid carbon as a numbering. So now what is the numbering here? Propane 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. How many acids is there? 3. That is tricarboxylic acid. So this is the name of this compound. Next one, 23, example number 23. So here the carboxylic acid is there, and here CONH2 is there. So priority order is here, COO is more priority than CONH2. So numbering start from 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So what is the here? The substituent are present. Second place, 2 carbamyl. How many carbons is there? 4 carbons, that is bute. All carbons are single bond, butane. E replaced by the oic acid. Right? Then next one, next to 24, example number 24. Right, here they are giving the numbering here, which place we have to give, that is important. Here including functional group and the carbon chain is important. So numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is correct. Okay, this numbering is correct, right? Then the name is here 3-ethyl enyl, right? 3, this is called 3-eth enyl. How many carbons is there chain here? 5, that is penta, okay, 2 is there, penta 1 comma 3 diene. So this is the name of this compound, right? Next one, 25th example. It is important example. So here okay, this is the example. 3 functional groups are present, 3 are same, especially carboxylic acid. So we have to select the 2 terminal carboxylic acid with the large chain. So this is obviously 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? This is we have to select. This is have a as a substituent. So which place is the substituent? 3 place. And what is the substituent here? Carboxy methyl. How many carbons is there? 7 carbons. Heptane 1 comma 3 1 comma 7. Dioic acid. This is dioic acid. So this is whenever the C substituent is there with the long chain 2 functional groups, right? Similar, all are equal means we can write. Before example we seen, I think this is the and this one, right? So this is the very important and different examples we discussed now till now, and try to practice more example. You'll get more clarity and you'll get more knowledge, right? Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.